Welcome to the Assessment for Records Risks, the industry's most cost-effective and accurate way to address all your records management issues and concerns in 45 days under one comprehensive fixed-fee project. The assessment deliverables are immediately actionable and directly address four primary records management areas. First, you'll have a legally defensible records retention schedule based on best practices, tied to where records actually live, so you can eliminate obsolete information and cut related costs and risks. You'll have detailed profiles of where personally identifiable and sensitive information exist across your organization, so you can uncover privacy vulnerabilities and comply with privacy laws. You'll have comprehensive discovery data maps with direct input from custodians, so you are better prepared for litigation, investigations, and audits. And finally, you'll have a fully integrated file plan for SharePoint, so you can apply retention to unstructured content and make it easy for employees to comply with the retention schedule. So let's talk about how Jordan Lawrence can help you address these critical records management areas and meet your obligations. With processes that are endorsed, referred, and leveraged by leading organizations and the world's most client-focused law firms. And we can help you do it in 45 days. We leverage our proven web-based technology and industry-specific benchmarking standards along with extensive experience with the world's leading companies to collect information about your company's current records management practices and all the record types and applications used by your business representatives. The process is well structured and driven by industry benchmarking and technology. It's perfectly synchronized to collect comprehensive insights for your critical records management initiatives. The details collected for every record type is outstanding. Over 75 profiling elements are collected for every record type identified by your own people. In fact, on a typical records analytics project, over 50,000 unique data points are collected and mapped against our industry-specific best practice standards. So we can create predictably great deliverables for you in just 45 days. No surprises, just great results. There are four primary deliverables. First, you'll have a world-class retention schedule that isn't just built off a template, isn't just a set of 4-inch binders of unusable legal research, and it isn't software that you have to pour through yourself. Your retention schedule will be ready to be put to use immediately because it's specific to your company and built on standards already adopted by the world's leading companies. And we highlight specific areas of risk and opportunity. Your personal data inventory identifies the specific records and information your company has, what areas of the business have it, the discrete elements of sensitive and personally identifiable information they contain, and how the business areas use, store, and share it. You'll have the details needed to comply with privacy obligations and proactively address areas of risk. Your Discovery Data Map provides complete visibility into current records and information practices, so you can identify where potentially responsive information exists and identify likely custodians. This visibility is critical to distributing precise litigation holds, preparing 30b-6 witnesses, and negotiating more favorable discovery terms. And finally, you'll have an accurate file plan that is easily integrated into SharePoint, making it easy for employees to comply with your records management program and apply retention to electronic information. The Assessment for Records Risks provides you with unprecedented speed, accuracy, and value. The deliverables are process-driven and give you everything you need to meet your most pressing obligations. We'd appreciate the chance to talk with you and walk you through our process, the deliverables, and pricing. I think you'll be pleased with all three. There are various ways to learn more, and we hope you will. Good luck on this critical project, and we'd enjoy the opportunity to help.